A gold yesterday created a decision candle where we can see the price has retraced back to 3357.05, a resistance level previously acted as support after the breakout 2 days ago. It was a bearish breakout below this area of support, and then the price yesterday has returned back up, just confirmed the previous support, now acting as a resistance. We can see the price tried to move up with a wick. We can see that here on the upside and also a wick on the lower side, which means the price also tried to move down. If we take a look on the 4-hour time frame, we will see that the price is currently inside indecision range area, where the price is jumping between this area of support 3343 and 3357.05, a resistance level. So the price is stuck for a while. We can see it the whole day yesterday, and the price cannot make its way out. We can see that the price has tried to move down, making this large wick on this candle, which was indecision candle between the buyers and the sellers, and we can see currently that there is more selling pressure than it is buying pressure, because we can see the sellers have pushed the price below this area of support, but the buyers could not manage to push in any of these attempts during these 4-hour time frames. So we can see and make a conclusion. Currently the price is inside indecision range area. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the price is also stuck, and we can see how the price is behaving. Yesterday there was some kind of large movement here during this period, because we can see the wicks on these candles that are pretty large, and the price is going from this area of resistance down to this area of support, and we can see this is a pretty wide area for the 1-hour time frame. So this was a fight between the buyers and the sellers, and no one has won, because the price is still stuck inside this range area, and it is around 3350 price level. Currently it is bouncing. What we can expect today? Based on this one, we can see that 2 days ago the price has formed this strong bearish candle, which is a bearish breakout below this area of support. So this is the first indication of the further decline in value. The price has continued that yesterday, declining value slightly, but it has returned back up, and it has currently created an indecision candle, but it is a confirmation of this bearish breakout, which means further decline in value is still accepted, and also I am anticipating that this will happen. But what we can see currently on the lower time frame, it is saying that we need to wait until the breakout happens, and that means that we need a breakout from this area here. After the breakout happens on the 4-hour time frame below 3343.00, when the candle closes below this area of support, this will be an indication of the further decline what we can see currently on the daily time frame, and that means the price will try to reach this area first around 3324, which is currently visible right here. So 3324 is the target, and 3325.28 is the next support level. We can see that visible around this area on the 4-hour time frame. So this will be the target after the price makes a bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame here. So this is the first step that I'm currently waiting. But if the price also makes a bullish breakout above this area of resistance 3357.05, the price will try to move higher and reach an area around this area here, which will be 3370. So these are the targets after the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout. So first step is for me to wait outside of the market and wait for a clean move and then follow the market. On the 1-hour time frame, it is similar scenario where we can see a pretty unclear situation, because the price was yesterday jumping up and down, but currently the price is stuck around this area 3350. When the breakout happens here above 3357.05, the next target will be 3365. We can see that on the 1-hour time frame, but ultimately the target will try to reach an area 3370, which I have mentioned on the 4-hour time frame. And we can see on the 1-hour time frame, this is also a small resistance level here. On the lower side, we can see that 3343 needs to be broken in order to allow the price to reach lower levels, and 3325 is the target on the 4-hour time frame. And we can see that first, when the breakout happens here, the price will try to reach 3337, like yesterday the price has made. After that, it will try to reach here and after that here 3328 and 3325 is the 4-hour time frame the target, which can also be on the 1-hour time frame, but it is also on the daily as the first support level. The daily support level is here, 3314.79 is ultimately the target, and when the price reaches first 3325 and after that the price makes a bearish breakout below, it will target 3314 as the next support level, and it is a daily support. So for now I'm waiting outside, waiting for a clean breakout, because also this one, which is also because this bearish breakout which has been confirmed with the next candle could be also failed one where the price makes a bullish breakout, continues to rise in value. Anything can happen. There is no rule that the price needs to move down after the breakout has been confirmed, but this confirmation of this bearish breakout just indicates there is no buying pressure here to push the price up against this strong selling pressure we have seen on the market. And this strong bearish candle that has covered, we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, which means 4 days before that. It has shown that it is a strong bearish strength here entered into the market, trying to move down the price. But we can see the price is stopped right here, which is just below the area of daily resistance level currently. Let's see and how the price will behave. Wait for a breakout on the lower time frame, which will be indication where the price is trying to move further, and then follow the market. That's all for today. Feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders into premium analysis. See you tomorrow. Happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading.